boy GeeZo back with another video, and today, one more time for you haters, man. I got something in the box, and we're about to check it out. First impression video. This is what this is, a first impression video. Not really an unboxing. This is not a new product. This is an old product. Oh my God, I don't have my knife. All right. All right. So we're going to take a look at the Logitech G Cloud. Logitech G Cloud. A lot of people, this is an old device. This is 2026, and I got me a Logitech G Cloud. Yes, indeed. See if I can. No knife needed. This is like damn near brand new, huh? What's going on here? They really packaged this thing up. Oh my God. Okay, so it says, on the box it says keep playing. Keep playing. I'm gonna keep playing. In the box, let me show you again. In the box is the console. That's your first thing you see is the console, which is fairly big. I didn't know it was this, I didn't think it was this big, but it's pretty big. I can't wait to see what this is like. Okay, and then you pick it up under the box. You have, I'm assuming it's your charger. I assume it's your charger, and it's a USB Type-C to regular USB. Okay. And you get your papers and your books and stuff in there. And I think that's all that comes with it. No brick. I don't see any brick. There's no brick in here. Okay? No brick. Throw that to the side. Nice presentation. It might not have any juice. Let me see if it has any juice in it. How do you turn this thing on? Let's see if I can find the power button. That's probably not the power button. Huh. You charge it down there. Is this the power button? Is this the power button? Which one is the power button? Oh, found it. So is this switch right there? It's booting up. And I'm gonna tell you my first impressions in the hand. Nice and clicky. I don't know if people like this, and I'm telling you, the controls feel good on here. Like me moving this, I'm not as picky. A lot of people are picky when it comes to handhelds. Okay, got a little battery life. I like the fact that it's touchscreen, and if you don't know, I'm sorry guys, if you don't know, this is an Android-based system, okay? And I'm trying to log into my Wi-Fi, and I was ready to put Android-based system as my password. Getting your tablet ready. So basically it's just a tablet, I guess. It's pretty light in the hand. It's really light. It's really light. Will this fit in your pocket? I doubt it. We're gonna do the pocket test in a minute, guys. Copy apps and data. Don't copy. No, I don't want to copy apps and data. And I'm gonna show you guys again. So I'm gonna do handheld, of course. Okay. Next, we do handheld, and boom. Let's hit start. Okay, next. Okay, next. So I'm done. I'm done, guys. We on here. And let me tell you this, guys. I don't know if this is my account or not, but right off the bat, you can access your account center notifications. I'll skip that for now. Now this design is crazy. Look at this, guys. Look at this design. This is crazy. This doesn't even look like. It said ring in your ear, horse with cloud. Oh man, come on. All that pop-up shit I don't like. Okay, now look at it. Nice. Nice. I'm getting notifications. I don't really like getting notifications. Okay. So now let's go see if on my Xbox, am I already signed in? Because it knows me, but I don't think so. No, I'm not already signed in. So let me sign into my Xbox account. But this is really just my first impressions of the game. I'm not even gonna sign in. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna sign in right now because again, it's gonna send me. I'm recording on this phone right here, so in a later video. I'm gonna show you all the good stuff. But my first impressions. This is just about my first impressions. So let's go home. Maybe I can do GeForce now. Let's see if I can do GeForce now. Confirm GeForce now. But my first impressions of this is nice. Update. Let's update that. I'm gonna have to update the app. So there's a lot of updates going on here. Update. So my first impressions of this is lightweight in the hand. It feels good. The buttons feel good. Feels real good. Let me find the game. Do y'all think Call of Duty will run on here? Let's see. If Call of Duty runs on here, I'm gonna play a native game. And then we can get into the rest of this stuff. Call of Duty. See if Call of Duty on here. Install that. I'm gonna install Call of Duty. Oh, it needs 1 gigabyte for Call of Duty. I didn't know that. I would have never installed it if I knew that. Let's find a game that doesn't take that much to play. But yeah, guys, it comes pre-installed with this stuff. The build quality is great. Like I said, lightweight. It's basically a tablet. The buttons is crazy. I'm really gonna have to. I like how I got a touchscreen on it. I like that it has a touchscreen. I like the touchscreen for sure. Let's check it out. So what's on here already? So we know that the Xbox app is on here already. So let me show you. The Xbox app is on here already. Comes pre-installed. Cloud Hub. I never heard of that, but Cloud Hub is on here. Black, hey, yo, pause. This should say Black Nut. I don't know what that is. Hey, yo, pause. That's crazy. But Black Nut is on there, pause. That is crazy. I don't know why I said it. I don't know why I said it again. I shouldn't have never said it again. Like, I said it 2 times. We have Steam Link. And if you go over, we have Moonlight. And then if we go over, we have PS Remote Play. So shouts out to that. And then this is Retro Art. I don't know what that is, but I'm not really going to be playing any retro games like that. That I know of. That I know of right now. Because tomorrow, my opinion might change. My opinion might change. Let me see. So Call of Duty is working on here. Call of Duty is working. Let's check out the value. Do we have? This has a 3. Is that a 3mm? That has a 3mm headphone jack at the bottom. Has a slot for SD card. Let me see what this is right here. Is this the slot for the SD card? Yeah, slot for the SD card. So at the bottom. This is a long first impression. But I'm pretty sure that let's see, like this is light in the hand, like. And by the way, if this video does well, I will get more handhelds. I will. I will try my luck with a Windows one, a retro one. I'll take the hit and get a retro one. If that, because I think majority of people like playing retro games on these type of things. But this is a great build. Now, this is a great build quality. I think so. Like for the price I paid. Like, the price I paid was a whopping $150. For that, you can't beat this. So right now I'm testing out native games. In a minute, I'm just seeing how the buttons move and all that stuff. I'm just seeing how the buttons move real quick, and we can get into that. We can get into everything else in a short video after I test everything. You know what I mean? Like, I just want to test it and then give you like my honest opinion whether you should buy this or is it worth it or what, you know? And speakers are nice. Y'all heard the speakers? Except, okay. Y'all heard the speakers on here, right? Y'all heard the speakers, right? Now, I'm wondering if it automatically picks up that I have a controller on here or not. Speakers are not bad. It's not the loudest, but it's not bad. Ooh, you can't. Oh, no. No. It's not picking up the controller, guys. It's not picking up the controller. Okay, let me see. It might be something in the settings. So let me hit start. Let me hit start. Start.
Lost the lead.
I'm trying to figure out how you hit the back button. Okay. Fuck it. I just cut it off. I ain't got time. That's that. I ain't got time for it, yo. I ain't got time for it. We'll figure it out in another video. That was my first impressions of this thing. Brake buttons, clicky, all that good stuff. I gotta figure out how to sign into all my accounts. I don't know why it was so difficult to sign in none of my accounts today. Xbox, GeForce now. Everybody wanted to play games. But other than that, I'm gonna make another video. The buttons are responsive. Like, as you can hear, like you can hear them moving. This is good. So this is just my first impressions. Menu button works, home button works, GeForce Now button, I don't know what that does, but that works. The back buttons work, this work. Everything feels great, right? So I'm gonna hit back. Everything feels great. I'm gonna come back with another video showing you the gameplay and actually how it works. Peace.